Took 3 trades today, and all 3 of them ran beautifully. I had 5 different levels of confirmation for entry. I executed perfectly, I was patient, and I was able to target our previous swing highs and swing lows. So it's overall a beautiful day, over 300% in profits, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So every trade I took today was off of the 3-minute time frame. Just to give you guys a visual, you can see we took these calls right here. They absolutely printed, and then I also caught the move down and the move back up. So we can go into the Discord and I can show you every trade that I took. 528 calls, 92%. We took SPY 22 puts, 522 puts, 210%. And then we have the last setup, which ran to 40% returns. I did get out a little early on these. I probably could have stayed in and printed, but that's just what it was. I'm not mad at it at all. And then April 22nd, just to show you guys that this is all live, printed straight into the Discord. So you guys can see that we do have this push up. We have price start to kind of consolidate a little bit, and then we have an inverse head and shoulders pattern form. We have a head and 2 shoulders here, and then we can see price starts to dip. With that pattern, plus the change of character on our low time frame and the bearish engulfing candle, plus we were moving below our 20 and 50 moving averages, I was able to take short entry and target our previous demand zone. And you guys can see we do pull straight back into this demand right here and push off of it. And then also another indication on the M5, you can see that we have price try to push above and form a big doji candle, and we have that huge bearish momentum follow up right afterwards, giving us that nice confirmation that price is more than likely not going to continue up since we failed to break the previous swing high. And then just to give you guys a quick rundown on the first trade that I took, we did get a break of structure on the M5, breaking above this previous swing high right here. So I was able to take entry on those SPY calls and get that quick 40% scalp. And then over here, we saw price create a double bottom in our opening demand. So like I showed you guys on that M15 chart earlier, we pulled back to our demand zone, formed a double bottom. We have a bullish engulfing candle, followed by bullish momentum. Then we break above our 20 and 50 moving average. So I was able to catch the entry on these SPY calls and get that nice 92% to finish the day. Notice how every entry that I took had multiple indicators for entry. I didn't just hop into a trade because we pulled into demand. No, I waited for a double bottom, which is our candlestick pattern, took entry when we got that bullish engulfing candle. So if you implement these small things and you are patient before you execute, you will demolish the markets, you'll dominate everything, you will make so much more money. But if you rush into a trade and you're not patient, you'll get stopped out all the time, lose money, you will miss opportunities. There's so many things that could go wrong if you don't wait and you aren't patient. So just keep in mind